Hello students, how are you? I am back here. Okay, so now again we will do some exercises of the book. Okay, so page number 28. Okay, on page number 28 pronunciation is there. So today we will do that portion. Okay, pronunciation. Okay, page number 28 in your textbook. Say these words aloud. Notice how the letter I sound in each set of words. Okay, so pronunciation. Now we will do pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay, now we will do pronunciation. What is the meaning of pronunciation? What is the meaning of pronunciation? Pronunciation का मतलब होता है उसको उच्चारण करना, किसी शब्द को प्रॉपरली उच्चारण करना. जैसे पहले मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल्स बताए थे कि हम कैसे बोलते हैं. जैसे इफ ए साउंड वर्ड इज देयर तो हम उसे थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलते हैं, लाइक दिस ब एट. ए को हम कैसा बोलते हैं? थोड़ा ऊंचा. ब एट बैट, लाइक दिस ह एट hat. So this is a pronunciation part. Okay, like this. If we use e sound word, e sound word जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा soft होता है. Okay, तो soft जब हम बोलते हैं तो ब एट बैट हम उसको softly बोलते हैं, हम उसको ऊंचा नहीं बोलते हैं. ब एट बैट. ओके, न एट नेट. अब जब हम आई साउंड वर्ड पढ़ेंगे तो आई साउंड वर्ड को थोड़ा सा धीमे स्वर में पढ़ा जाता है. जैसे मान लीजिए यहाँ पे लिखा है लिप, तो हम उसे बोलेंगे लिप. ल इप लिप, थोड़ा दबा के ल इप लिप लिप, लाइक दिस, है ना. और जब यही चीज़ें कुछ आपको मैंने अभी सेंटेंस बताए थे जो लॉन्ग साउंड वर्ड्स होते हैं और शॉर्ट साउंड वर्ड्स होते हैं. जैसे अब हम लिखेंगे फिल. ये फिल होता है भरो, जगह भरो. जैसे रिक्त स्थान हम भरते हैं, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, तो ये फिल होगा. लेकिन जब हम इसमें डबल ही लगा देते हैं तो ये लॉन्ग साउंड वर्ड हो जाता है फील. फील मतलब हमें कैसा लग रहा है, हम कैसा फील कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके, सो नाउ देयर आर सम वर्ड्स रिटन इन योर बुक. ओके, दैट वी विल रीड एंड यू हैव टू रीड विथ मी. ओके, नाउ से लिप. लिप, LIP, लिप. लइप लिप, लइप लिप, लाइक दिस. किट, कइट किट, कइट किट, कइट किट. बइग बिग, बइग बिग, बइग बिग. नाउ विंड, विंड. ओके, दिस 3 लेटर्स हम एक साथ पढ़ेंगे. व इंड विंड, व इंड विंड. ओके, नाउ लाइक, LIKE like. Okay, like. After that kite, KITE kite, KITE kite. After that bite, BITE bite, BITE bite. After that vice, WISE vice, WISE vice. So once again repeat after me. LIP lip, LIP lip, LIP lip. KIT kit, KIT kit. BIG big, BIG big. Wind, WIND wind. LIKE like, LIKE like. KITE kite, KITE kite. BITE bite, BITE bite. Okay, WISE vice, WISE vice. Okay, so these are the words. You have to read it properly with the correct pronunciation. Okay, now after that okay, now what is written here? So these are the some pictures are there in your book on page number 29. So look at the pictures and write these words, then say them aloud. See, number 1. What is number 1? Which picture is there in your book on number 1? See here number 1. What is this? Ice cream. This is ice cream. So write this spelling, okay, on number 1, on page number 29, on page number 29, okay. The picture of ice cream is there on number 1. Here ice cream is there with this stick, okay. So the spelling of ice cream is I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. What is this? Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, okay. Now number 2, the picture of fish, okay, picture of fish. So now fish, say fish, F-I-S-H, fish. See the pronunciation, fish, say fish, fish, okay. Don't say fish because double is not there, it is I. So fish, okay, say fish, okay. After that number 3, number 3 is fire, number 3 is fire, okay. Number 3 is fire. So F-I-R-E, fire, fire मतलब आग, fire मतलब आग, see fire, okay. After that number 4, the picture of a king, the picture of a king, K-I-N-G, king, K-I-N-G, king. Number 1 is ice cream, number 2 is fish, number 3 is fire, number 4 is king, okay. Now number 5, what is there on number 5? House of snow, house of snow. What is known as house of snow? House of snow is known as igloo, igloo, okay. The house of snow is known as igloo. If it is not visible for you, I will write little bit bigger, I-G-L-O-O, igloo, okay, igloo, say igloo, okay. After that, now number 6, the picture of an iron, iron means press, I-R-O-N, write this spelling, I-R-O-N, iron, okay, I-R-O-N, iron, okay. Now after that, the picture of a, what is this, chick, चिक मतलब क्या होता है, हैन का बेबी, जो हैन का बेबी होता है उसे चिक बोलते हैं, ओके, जो छोटे छोटे हैन के बेबी होते हैं. तो पिक्चर ऑफ ए चिक, C-H-I-C-K, चिक, ओके, से चिक, चिक, पिक्चर ऑफ अ चिक. नाउ नंबर 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Now you notice one thing here. You had noticed one thing here. In all the pictures, which sound word is coming? I sound word. Okay, I sound word is there. So you have to read the spellings accordingly. Say ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Okay. Now here fish. Don't say fish. Okay, because I is there, so we have to say fish. Say once again, fish. Okay. After that, fire. Fire. What is the meaning of fire? Aag. Okay. Fire. Now number 4, king. Okay. King. Say once again, king. Okay. Now house of snow, igloo. House of snow, igloo. Okay. Then iron. मम्मा घर पे प्रेस करती है कपड़े, so that is iron. Okay. And the baby of a hen is chick. Say once again, chick. Once again, chick. Now after that, on number 8, spelling of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. So these are the spellings you have to write in your book. These are the spellings you have to write in your book. The pictures are there in your book and pronounce it properly. Okay. Okay, now after that vocabulary part is there. First you write down the spellings in your book accordingly. Okay. And pronounce it properly. This is I sound words spellings. This is not long sound words. Double E is not there. I sound words. So you have to pronounce it properly. Okay. Okay, now after that, on the same page, after that vocabulary part is there. Swati and her mother bought a lot of things for school. स्वाति और उसके मम्मा ने बहुत सारी थिंग्स स्कूल्स के लिए बाय किया था. सो मैच द वर्ड्स विद देयर पिक्चर्स. You have to match the words with their pictures. Okay, like that. Number 1 is written paint brush. P-A-I-N-T, paint brush. Okay, now we will do this exercise. After doing this, first you do this exercise, then we will do that exercise. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to erase this. Now we are going to do vocabulary part. Okay. Now vocabulary part. Okay, that we will do. Okay. So in your book some spellings are given and you have to match these particular spellings with the particular proper picture. Number one, what is written here? Paint brush. P-A-I-N-T, paint brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay, number 1 is written here, paint brush. Number 2, scissors. Number 2, scissors. Okay. What is written on number 3? Notebook. Number 3 is notebook. And what is written on number 4? Glue. G-L-U-E, glue. And that side, number 5, it is written here pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Number 6, crayons. Crayons. Okay. Number 7, ruler. And what is written on number 8? Eraser. Okay, now I am going to draw pictures here. Number 1, there is a box and in that box crayons are there. Okay, some crayons are there. So this is a crayons. Crayons means, I told you na, crayons means wax colors. Crayons means wax colors. आप जो drawing करते हैं ना wax colors के, it is also known as crayons. So this is the spelling of crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. So match that spelling with this packet of crayon. Okay, this is the packet of crayons. Okay, now number 2. See number 2 here. Scissor is there. Okay, this is scissor. Scissor means sketchy. This is the spelling of scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Scissors means sketchy. Match this. Okay, scissors. Number 3, notebook. Notebook means in which you do your work, your notebook. Okay, here the notebook is there. So this is your notebook. See here. This is your notebook on number 5. Your notebook is there on number 5. Match it with notebook. Okay, now glue. See here, glue. है ना, glue. This is a glue. So match with glue. फेविस्टिक होता है, glue होता है लगाने के लिए. That is glue. G-L-U-E, glue. After that, pencil. You all write with pencil na? So the picture of pencil is here. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Picture of pencil. Okay. Then paint brush. हम लोग brush paint हम करते हैं ना, जिससे हम पेंटिंग करते हैं. ब्रश होता है हमारा पेंट ब्रश. So this is our paint brush. Okay. at last ruler. Ruler मतलब scale. Okay, ruler. This is scale. And eraser. Eraser means what? Eraser मतलब जिससे हम rub करते हैं. Okay. So this is eraser. So see here, paint brush. This is paint brush. Okay, you can see. Scissor. So this is scissor. Notebook. This is notebook. Glue. This is glue. Pencil. This is your pencil. Crayons. This is crayons. Ruler. This is ruler. And eraser. This is eraser. You have to match this in your book. Okay. Okay. Okay, now grammar portion, some action words are there on page number 30. On page number 30. So we will read these action words. Look at these pictures. Can you do these actions? What they are asking you? Read these pictures and can you do the action words? What they are doing? So let's see what are the action words. Okay, after doing this. Okay, so number 1, frog is there, and you know frog is hopping like this. Okay, so they are asking, I can jump. Can you? Now frog is saying, I can jump. Can you? Okay, so now the frog, what he is doing? He is jumping like this, like this. Now he is asking, I can jump. Can you? Okay, after that giraffe, the picture of giraffe is there. He is saying, I can bend. Can you? I can bend. Can you? Like this, giraffe is having long neck. Okay, what giraffe is having? Long neck. And what he is saying? I can bend like this. Can you? I can bend like this. Can you? Okay, number 3. Number 3, I can clap. Can you? I can clap. Can you? Yes, we can also clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. We can clap. Now the elephant is saying, I am strong. Can you? The elephant is having big legs and is like this. He walks. Tom, top, top. So now elephant is asking, I can stomp. Can you? Okay, after that, cheetah is there and he is asking, I can run very fast. Can you run like me? We can run, but we are not able to run like cheetah. He can run very fast. So what he is asking? I can run. Can you? Yes, we can run, but not it much fast as like cheetah. Okay, so these are the words. The words in green are called action words. They are called action words which are written in green color. Okay, so once again we will revise what are the action words are used which are written in green color. Jump. So you all are jumping. When you are playing, you all are jumping. You are very small. You can jump from here to there, there to here. So you all are jumping. Yes, J-U-M-P, jump. Like this. Jump. 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 Okay, now second one is B-E-N-D, bend. Bend मतलब मुड़ना. Bend मतलब मुड़ना. Okay. Giraffe is having long neck. तो अपनी पूरी neck को नीचे झुका के देखो पानी पी रहा है. तो he is asking us, can you bend like me? Okay. Now number 3, can you clap? C-L-A-P. Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. Okay. Number 4, storm. Number 4, storm. And number 5, run. R-U-N. Run, 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 run. You also run now when you play with each other. You run here and there. So R-U-N, run. These are the action words. Okay. Now see, read these sentence. Okay. Swati, S-W-A-T-I, Swati walks, W-A-L-K-S, walks back home with mother. So walk is an action word. Walk is a action. हम जो करते हैं, हम जो काम करते हैं ना बेटा, उसे हम एक्शन वर्ड्स बोलते हैं, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, एक्शन वर्ड। जैसे वी आर ईटिंग, हम खाना खा रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन वर्ड। वी आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन वर्ड। सो वॉक इज एन एक्शन वर्ड। नाउ द वर्ड वॉक शोज स्वाति's एक्शन। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया है कि हम जो काम करते हैं वो एक्शन वर्ड होता है, तो इस सेंटेंस में वॉक क्या है, स्वाति का एक्शन वर्ड है, क्योंकि वो वॉकिंग कर रही है। ओके, सो वॉक इज एन एक्शन वर्ड। आफ्टर दैट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एन एक्शन दैट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी, ओके, जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं, we add ing to the action word। जैसे I am eating, हम कब ऐसा बोलते हैं, जब हम वो काम अभी कर रहे हैं। जैसे अभी हम खाना खा रहे हैं तो हम उसमें ing लगाते हैं, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, I am eating, I am drinking, I am sleeping, I am playing, I am reading। These are the action words कि हम वो अभी जो कर रहे हैं उसमें हम क्या लगाते हैं, ing। ओके, लाइक दैट अजिता इज सिटिंग इन द क्लासरूम राइट नाउ। वी हैड रेड द चैप्टर, इन दैट चैप्टर वन गर्ल नेम इज अजिता, शी इज सिटिंग अलोन इन द क्लास। So what action word she is doing right now? She is sitting in the class. So her action word is sitting. Okay, like that children are playing in the park now. बच्चे गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं, वो अभी खेल रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बोलेंगे चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क नाउ, बिकॉज बच्चे अभी गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं। ओके, नाउ सी हियर, look at these pictures and read the sentence, underline the action words। okay, अब हमें क्या करना है, पिक्चर्स दे रखे हैं और वो एक्शन वर्ड्स उसमें क्या यूज हुआ है उसे हमें अंडरलाइन करना है। नंबर 1 इज डन फॉर यू इन द बुक इटसेल्फ, दैट दिया थ्रोज द बॉल। दिया ने क्या करा, बॉल को थ्रो करा, मतलब बॉल को उसने फेंका। तो अभी दिया क्या करा, उसने बॉल को फेंका, थ्रोज द बॉल। ग्रैंडपा सिट्स इन अ चेयर। ग्रैंडपा क्या कर रहे हैं, चेयर पे बैठे हैं, सिट्स। सो सिट्स पे क्या आ जाएगा, आपको सिट्स पे अंडरलाइन करना है यहाँ पे। नंबर 2 ऑन पेज नंबर, see on page number 31, action words in that make underline on sits, number 2. So put underline on number 2 on sits. Okay, number 3, the dog barks. bark मतलब भौंकना, dog क्या कर रहा है, bark कर रहा है, भौंक रहा है। So number 3 barks मतलब अभी dog भौंक रहा है, तो bark पे आ जाएगी अंडरलाइन, क्योंकि dog क्या कर रहा है, बार्क कर रहा है, भौंक रहा है। ओके, नंबर 4, आई स्विम इन समर। बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, स्विम कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है बच्चा, स्विम। सो स्विम इज हर एक्शन वर्ड, SWIM, स्विम मतलब तैरना। तो बच्चा अभी क्या कर रहा है, स्विम कर रहा है, तैर रहा है वो, तो हम उस पर अंडरलाइन करेंगे। नंबर 5, फादर बेक्स अ केक फॉर मी, मतलब मेरे पापा ने केक मेरे लिए बनाया, बेक किया केक को। So number 5 on back, BAKE, bake. Okay, put underline on this. So this you have to do in your book itself. Okay, do this. Okay. See here, now number on B, write what do you do when you are happy. Some action word you have to write here when you are happy. So the boy is happy, so he laughs. He laughs. हम खुश होते तो हम हंसते हैं. So I laughs. It will come I laughs. Okay. After this, B. I, after that we will write laughs, LAUGHS, I laughs. Okay, when we are happy we laugh, so I laugh. After that are bored, so I What when you feel bored? See what is the girl is doing here? She is reading a book. So I reads a story book. So number 2, I reads. What will come here? Reads. I reads a story book. Okay. Number 3, when you are tired, I sleep in my bed. हम क्या हो जाते हैं जब हम थक जाते हैं तो उस समय हमको कैसा लगता है कि हमें एक प्यारी सी नींद चाहिए, तो आई स्लिप्स. ओके. नंबर 3, बाय सीइंग द पिक्चर आई स्लिप्स. I sleep when I feel tired. Okay. Are about to eat food, so I wash. हम अगर कुछ खाने को जा रहे हैं तो हम पहले क्या करते हैं? हमारे हाथों को धोते हैं. So I wash. I wash my hands. हम हाथों को पहले धोते हैं कुछ खाने से पहले. I wake up in the morning. जब आप सुबह उठते तो आप क्या करते हो? I brush my teeth. आप क्या करते हो? I brush. B-R-U-S-H brush. I brush my teeth. ये हम एक्शन वर्ड्स करते हैं. ओके. So now do this. By seeing the picture, you have to write these action words. Because number 1, the boy is very happy, so he is laughing. So what are we had written? I laughs when we are happy. Number 2, I are bored, so I read a story book. Okay. Number 3, I sleep in my bed. Number 4, I wash my hands. And number 5, I brush my teeth. Okay, so this you have to write in your book. Okay, after this C part is there, fill in the blanks. There also we have to fill the action words on C. Should I erase this? You had completed this. Okay, now after that C. Fill in the blanks. Okay, the first one is done for you in your book. The people are clapping in the hall. मतलब जो लोग हॉल में बैठे हुए हैं वो clapping कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now see second. I am dash in the temple. आप टेम्पल में क्या करने जाते हो? आप सब टेम्पल जाते हो, मंदिर जाते हो. आप क्या करते हो मंदिर जाके? So number 2 is I am praying. हम क्या करते हैं जाके? Pray करते हैं ना टेम्पल में. So I am praying. Okay, this is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. On page number same 31 it is there. Okay, on page number 32, sorry. On page number 32. See, fill in the blanks. So number 2, praying will come. I am praying in the temple. Okay, now number 3, they are dash at my joke. जोक होने पर क्या करते हैं? लाफिंग. जब हम कोई जोक मारते हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हंसते हैं. सो दे आर लाफिंग ऑन माय जोक. ओके, दे आर लाफिंग ऑन माय जोक. ओके. नंबर 4, रुबीना इज डैश इन हर स्केचबुक. स्केचबुक में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? आप लोग क्या करते हो? आपकी स्केचबुक में ड्राइंग करते हो. सो रुबीना इज ड्राइंग. नंबर 4, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G drawing. Okay, so Rubina is drawing in her sketch book. Okay, now number 5, the fairy is dash with her wand. The fairy is dash with her fan. मतलब उसके हाथ में एक जादुई स्टिक है, उसके साथ वो क्या कर रही है? डांसिंग. So she is dancing. The fairy is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G dancing. So this you have to write in your book. Okay. Okay. So this much today we will do in our book itself. You have to do you have to read page number 30, action words, okay? After that, you have to read the sentence and see the letters, the words which are written in green color, they are known as action words. And when the things you are doing right now, in that we have to add ing, ing, okay? After that we had done on page number 32, underline the action words, that also you have to do in your book. After that we had done the fill in the blanks, okay? And write what do you do when you, okay? So these are the things you have to do in your book, and enjoy your day. Bye. Have a nice day.